Hello, this is Lucas Wall, aka Snow Enthusiast, and we are here live at Mount Vernon Square in Washington, about 1:55 a.m. on what is now Saturday. As you can see here, the blizzard is raging around us, although actually right now the winds have died down a little bit, but still lots of blowing snow and snow coming down pretty heavily, although in fairly small flakes at the time being. Just to let everyone know, I've measured between 6 and 10 inches of snow here at Mount Vernon Square, and so we're going to go with 8 inches as the official measurement as we come upon 2 a.m. here. Expecting anywhere from 20 to 30 inches as the storm goes on today. But I wanted to come out for the first time here and check out the preliminary results. So 8 inches here at Mount Vernon Square. A little difficult to get an accurate measurement because the snow is blowing around, so you have some areas where it's blown off and is closer to 6 inches, and some other areas of the square here where the snow has kind of accumulated in a few ridges and is closer to 10 inches. But we'll go with 8 as our 2 a.m. measurement. Hope everyone is enjoying the blizzard of 2016. Hello everyone, and greetings from the National Mall. I'm here in front of the U.S. Capitol. It's 12:47 p.m. on Saturday, and I can report from down here at the mall a measurement averaging 14 inches of snow at this point. Snow has definitely started letting up, although it's supposed to continue for several more hours from what I've seen on the news. It's been a nice walk here through the center of the mall. There are a few other folks out and about enjoying the lovely conditions here during the blizzard of 2016. It is actually not all that windy right now, although every once in a while we'll get some gusts that will blow the snow all over the place. But it's actually fairly pleasant. You can see I don't even need my snow goggles on right now because the wind has diminished. But just as I say that, there comes another gust blowing snow around. So I was hoping to find a little bit more snow out here, but unfortunately 14 inches is about the most I can report at this time. It's 2:37 p.m. on Saturday here during the blizzard of 2016, and I just got back from a 2.5-hour traipse through the snow to the Capitol and back, about 4.6 miles. And the conditions were actually not too bad when I was out for most of my walk. But now I've been home a few minutes and changed into some warm clothes and looked out the window, and the wind has really picked up and the snow is blowing all around, although it seems like it's kind of hard to see that on this video, but no, there you can get a sense of it there. Definitely looking much more like a blizzard right now than when I was out wandering around.